Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review, and today we're about to step into the future of luxury travel on wheels with a breathtaking Mercedes 2 motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an architectural masterpiece on wheels, designed to merge futuristic aesthetics with ultimate efficiency and high-end luxury. If you've ever imagined what the perfect blend of a spaceship and a luxury apartment would look like rolling down the highway, then you're in the right place. Let's start with the exterior, because the moment this motorhome comes into view, it's impossible not to stop and stare. The Mercedes 2 is sculpted with sharp aerodynamic lines that echo the design language of high-performance sports cars while still carrying the imposing presence of a motorhome. Its body is finished in a matte metallic gray with blacked-out glass, giving it a stealthy, futuristic look that feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The front fascia features angular LED headlights, seamlessly integrated into the body with a geometric styling that ties the whole design together. The lower grille, slim and purposeful, hides behind it advanced cooling and aerodynamic systems that make this motorhome not just beautiful, but also practical for long-distance travel. On the sides, retractable steps and flush door panels maintain the clean, futuristic flow, while large tinted windows stretch across the body like darkened panels of glass. The wheels themselves are oversized multi-spoke alloys wrapped in performance-grade tires, giving the motorhome a commanding stance. The entire exterior is a statement that this isn't your typical recreational vehicle. This is a Mercedes vision of the future of mobility. Now stepping inside. The first space you're greeted with is the interior lounge. This lounge is compact yet designed to feel expansive thanks to its geometric precision and carefully placed lighting. The seating arrangement consists of modular gray leather seats with fine stitching, designed to fold, slide, and adjust into different configurations depending on your needs. The color palette stays consistent with matte metallic grays and soft neutral tones, reinforcing the futuristic, minimalistic design ethos. Built-in LED linear lighting runs along the ceiling edges and beneath the seating, creating a soft glow that makes the entire lounge feel like a premium spacecraft cabin. A sleek fold-out table emerges from the wall when needed, transforming the lounge into a dining area or a workspace. Hidden storage compartments are integrated seamlessly into the walls, ensuring there's no clutter and every item has a place. The design is efficient, minimal, but deeply luxurious, reflecting Mercedes' dedication to creating a space that feels both futuristic and comfortable. Moving further in, we arrive at the bedroom. This is where the designers truly showcase the art of compact living. The bed itself is mounted on a sleek metallic frame against the wall, and it folds vertically to free up floor space when not in use. The mattress is slim but firm, covered in dark gray leather-like material with precise stitching for a premium look. To enhance comfort, a set of angular gray pillows rests against the bed, giving a touch of softness to the futuristic styling. The surrounding walls are finished in matte metallic gray panels, with storage compartments hidden flush into the design, keeping everything neat and functional. Above the bed, a small tinted window adds just enough outside visibility while maintaining the sleek, privacy-driven look. Slim LED lighting strips run along the ceiling edges, creating a calm, ambient glow. A fold-out side ledge acts as a minimalist nightstand when needed. The entire bedroom is a marvel of space optimization. It feels like a luxury capsule in a spacecraft, compact yet comfortable, with every inch utilized for function. The kitchen inside the Mercedes 2 motorhome is another feat of futuristic engineering. Designed with sharp angular lines, the cabinetry is made of matte gray panels that blend seamlessly with the walls. All surfaces are handleless and open via push mechanisms, ensuring the clean design remains uninterrupted. The countertop is metallic gray, integrating both a flush-mounted induction stove and a slim rectangular sink with a retractable faucet. Small appliances like a compact refrigerator and microwave drawer are cleverly hidden within the cabinetry, completely invisible until you need them. Above, an angular ventilation panel keeps the air fresh without disrupting the sleek aesthetic. Storage solutions are abundant but subtle, ensuring everything is tucked neatly out of sight. The lighting here is soft and neutral, giving the kitchen a futuristic yet warm glow. It's compact, efficient, and designed for those who expect practicality without sacrificing modern elegance. Next, the bathroom. For a motorhome, space is always at a premium, but Mercedes has managed to craft a bathroom that feels premium and futuristic while keeping it compact. The walls are finished in matte gray with subtle metallic accents, giving it a clean, high-tech atmosphere. The shower is a vertical capsule-style space with a sleek rainfall showerhead built directly into the ceiling panel. The sink is rectangular, mounted seamlessly against the wall, with a minimalist retractable faucet. A small storage area is integrated behind flush panels, perfect for toiletries, while soft linear lighting creates a soothing ambiance. The toilet is compact but stylish, seamlessly blending into the overall design. Despite its small footprint, the bathroom feels like a modern luxury pod, efficient and beautiful at the same time. Moving into the cockpit, the design philosophy remains consistent, futuristic, sleek, and driver-focused. The dashboard is wrapped in matte black and metallic gray finishes, with sharp, geometric angles and a large digital display that stretches across the driver's line of sight. This display integrates navigation, performance data, and vehicle controls in one seamless interface. The steering wheel itself is flat-bottomed, wrapped in leather, and features illuminated touch controls. Both driver and passenger seats are finished in gray leather with fine stitching, offering comfort for long journeys while maintaining a futuristic, automotive-inspired design. Large tinted windows surround the cockpit, creating a panoramic view of the road ahead, while preserving the privacy-focused look from the outside. This isn't just a cockpit, it feels like the command center of a futuristic luxury vessel. Now let's talk about performance. Because while design and comfort are important, Mercedes has engineered this motorhome to be just as advanced on the road as it is in design. The Mercedes 2 motorhome is powered by an advanced hybrid electric drivetrain, offering both efficiency and strong performance. The aerodynamic body and lightweight materials reduce drag and improve range, allowing for longer travel distances without sacrificing luxury. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tighter roads. The driving experience is refined, quiet, and powerful, combining the best of automotive innovation with the needs of long-distance travelers. And of course, we can't ignore the pricing aspect. This futuristic level of design and engineering doesn't come cheap. The Mercedes 2 motorhome is expected to fall into the ultra-luxury price category, competing with the most premium offerings in the motorhome industry. While exact figures may vary depending on customization and features, you can expect the pricing to reflect the exclusivity and advanced technology integrated into every corner of this vehicle. For those seeking the ultimate blend of mobility, futuristic design, and Mercedes-level luxury, the price will be an investment into a one-of-a-kind lifestyle experience. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Mercedes 2 motorhome and want to see more futuristic luxury vehicles, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more exclusive insights into the world of next-generation automotive design.